Hello, grade 4 again. Today we will start in a new lesson, Unit 1, State of Matter and its changes. As we talked the last session that anything around us called matter. And matter that anything around you has mass and has volume. Okay, so let's start in the new lesson, the states of matter. If you look around you now, you will find that there is different shape of matter. You will find a glass of water, you will find a bag, and the air that you breathe. So there is different shape of matter. This state of matter: number 1, solid as ice, liquid as water, and gas like air. Let's take an example for each one. Solid state like ice, iron, and wood. Liquid state like water and oil, also milk. And gaseous state like carbon dioxide, air, and water vapor. So as we said that there are 3 states of matter: solid, liquid, gases. We will know the definition and the properties of each one. First, solid matter. Solid matter, it has definite shape and definite volume. Okay, you will say to me, what is the meaning of definite? Definite means that not change. So if you have a bag, the shape of the bag is changed? No. Why? Because it's solid matter. Okay, the iron or the gold, silver or copper, the shape of it change? No. Why? Because it has definite shape and definite volume. Now, if you change the place of you or the place of cup of tea of the bag, the shape of the bag will change? Your shape will change? No. Why? Because you have definite shape. Because the bag has definite shape. Okay, let's take an activity to prove that solid matter has a definite shape and a definite volume. First steps: put each body in front of you in test tube containing water, like stone, marble, and metal cube. Okay. Number 2, compare between the shape and the volume of each one in the test tube with its real shape and volume. Okay, observation: the volume and the shape of each body don't change. Okay, why? Because solids have definite shape and definite volume. Okay. Number 2, liquid matter. Liquid matter, it has a definite volume and an indefinite shape, like juice, like water, like mercury. So there is all take the shape of its container, like juice now take the shape of the glass, and water take the shape of the glass too. So this is the liquid matter. Let's know and take an activity to prove that. Steps: 100 cubic centimeter of water in each of the showing containers. Like you see, there are 3 shapes of containers: conical flask, cylindrical flask, and measuring cylinder. And each one is graduated from 0 to 100. Okay, what will you find? That the volume of water doesn't change, but the shape change and take the shape of its container. Okay, we say that 100 cubic centimeter. In measuring cylinder, it's transferred to the end of the cylinder, and cylindrical flask, like you see, it's not to the end, it is just take 100 cubic centimeter of the cylindrical flask, and in the conical flask that take just 100 cubic centimeter of the conical flask. So the volume change? No, but the shape of the water change according to the change of the container. Conclusion: liquids have definite volumes, but they don't have definite shape. Why? Because they take the shape of the container, so they have indefinite shapes. Number 3, gaseous matter. Gaseous matter, it has an indefinite shape and an indefinite volume. Okay, example for it: oxygen gas, nitrogen gas, and carbon dioxide. Anyone can tell me another example? The air around you is a gaseous matter, right? Okay, the air have an indefinite shape and indefinite volume? No, the air take the shape of the room, take the shape of the glass, take the shape of a tube. So the shape of gases matter change or not change? Change. Okay, and the volume change or not change? Change. Right. Okay, let's take an activity to prove that. Blow air in a balloon and tie it with a thread, and press on the balloon with your hand. What will happen? What will happen to the shape of the balloon? Okay, observation. The shape and volume of air change by pressing on the balloon. Why this happened? Okay, because gases have indefinite shapes and indefinite volume. Okay, so now we know there are 3 states of matter: solid, liquid, gas. Solid has a definite shape and definite volume. Liquid gas has indefinite shape and definite volume and take the shape of the container. Gaseous state has indefinite and indefinite shape and volume. Okay, let's take an exercise. Okay, look to the pictures and put the right one in the right column. The wood, solid or liquid or gas? Right, solid. Okay. Picture 2, the juice. Right, liquid state. Okay. Picture 3, carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide, gaseous state. Right, okay. A cup of water, solid, liquid, or gas? Think. Right, liquid state. Okay, number 5, water vapor, gaseous state. Okay, oxygen gas, solid or liquid or gaseous state? Right, gaseous state. Oil is considered as liquid state. Iron, solid, liquid, or gas? Iron considered as solid state. The last one, cube of ice, is considered as solid or liquid? Right, solid state. Today we talked about the state of matter, and we said that there are 3 states of matter: solid, liquid, and gaseous state. And each one has a different properties from the other one. Number 1, solid state has a fixed volume or definite volume and definite mass. Liquid state has fixed volume or definite volume and indefinite shape. and it takes the shape of the container. And we can say variable mean indefinite. Number 3, gaseous matter has variable or indefinite volume and indefinite shape. It takes the shape and the volume of the container and can be pressed. This is our session for today. Thank you for watching.